Welcome to our video, How Climate Change is Creating a Generation of Climate Activists. In the face of a dire climate crisis, a new wave of passionate young people is stepping up to champion environmental justice and sustainability. We'll explore how global protests, the power of social media, and inspirational role models are galvanizing youth worldwide. Join us as we delve into the educational initiatives, community efforts, and innovative solutions driving this emerging movement and shaping the future of climate activism. Together, we'll uncover why the urgency of this challenge is creating a generation determined to make a meaningful difference. 1. The rise of a new generation. Today, more than ever before, young people are taking a stand for the environment. With climate change becoming an increasingly pressing issue, many young individuals have found themselves compelled to take action. This isn't just a trend, it's a movement. Young climate activists are emerging globally, driven by the urgency to address the environmental crisis. They're using their voices, platforms, and creativity to push for meaningful change. This newfound activism is not just about saving the planet, it's about securing their future. 2. The influence of global protests. Global protests have played a significant role in sparking the passion of young climate activists. Events like the Fridays for Future movement, initiated by Greta Thunberg, have seen millions of young people skip school to demand action against climate change. These protests are not just about making noise, they're about making a difference. For many young people, witnessing their peers stand up and speak out has been a source of inspiration and empowerment. The sense of community and shared purpose has only fueled their determination to fight for a sustainable future. 3. The role of social media. Social media platforms have become powerful tools for young climate activists. Channels like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok allow them to share information, organize events, and spread awareness about climate issues. Social media isn't just a way to communicate, it's a way to mobilize. Viral campaigns and hashtags like #ClimateStrike have drawn attention to the cause and have encouraged others to join the movement. For many young people, social media has become a space where they can connect with like-minded individuals and amplify their voices on a global scale. 4. The impact of education. Education is a crucial factor in the rise of climate activism among young people. Schools and universities are increasingly incorporating climate change education into their curriculums, helping students understand the science and implications of environmental issues. This knowledge empowers them to make informed decisions and take action. Educational initiatives, such as environmental clubs and sustainability projects, provide students with the tools and platforms they need to become effective advocates for change. A well-informed generation is a powerful force for environmental advocacy. 5. The influence of role models. Role models play a vital role in inspiring young climate activists. Figures like Greta Thunberg, Malala Yousafzai, and Leonardo DiCaprio have shown that one person can make a significant impact. These individuals have used their influence to bring attention to environmental issues and have encouraged young people to take action. By seeing others succeed in their advocacy efforts, young activists are motivated to believe that they, too, can make a difference. Role models provide both inspiration and a blueprint for effective activism. 6. The power of community. Community is at the heart of the climate activism movement. Young people are finding strength in numbers, working together to achieve common goals. Community-based initiatives, such as local cleanup efforts and tree planting projects, allow young activists to make tangible changes in their neighborhoods. These efforts foster a sense of belonging and shared responsibility, reinforcing the idea that collective action can lead to positive change. Community involvement is not only empowering but also essential for building a sustainable future. 7. The urgency of the climate crisis. The urgency of the climate crisis is a driving force behind the rise of young climate activists. With record-breaking temperatures, extreme weather events, and rising sea levels, the effects of climate change are becoming increasingly evident. Young people understand that the time for action is now, and they refuse to sit idly by while their future is at stake. This sense of urgency propels them to take bold actions, advocate for policy changes, and hold leaders accountable. The climate crisis is not just a distant threat, it's a present reality that demands immediate attention. 8. The importance of policy change. Policy change is a critical focus for young climate activists. They understand that individual actions, while important, are not enough to address the climate crisis. Systemic changes are necessary to reduce carbon emissions and transition to renewable energy sources. Young activists are calling for comprehensive policies that prioritize sustainability and environmental justice. By engaging with policymakers and participating in campaigns, they're pushing for legislation that aligns with their vision of a sustainable future. Policy change is not just a goal, it's a necessity for lasting impact. 9. The role of innovation and technology. Innovation and technology are powerful allies in the fight against climate change. Young activists are harnessing the potential of technology to develop creative solutions to environmental challenges. From renewable energy initiatives to sustainable agriculture practices, innovation is key to building a more sustainable world. Young people are not just advocating for change, they are actively contributing to it. By embracing technology and pushing for innovative solutions, they are paving the way for a greener and more sustainable future. 10. The future of climate activism. The future of climate activism is bright, thanks to the passion and determination of young people around the world. As they continue to raise their voices and demand change, they are shaping a movement that will have lasting impacts. The journey is not without challenges, but their resilience and commitment are unwavering. The new generation of climate activists is not just fighting for their future, they are fighting for the future of the planet. Their efforts are a testament to the power of youth, and their legacy will inspire generations to come.